I only fight with honor!
Hello? Hi, sir. Yes. I'm so sorry I left you shorthanded this morning. I had to remove it earlier than expected. I'll see you in a week.
Calvin, if you're going to tear around with a squirt gun, do it outside.
Hey, Mom! Put me down!
A dreaded Nagon mothership sends a small red spacecraft wheeling toward the planet below. Inside that spacecraft is our hero, the intrepid Spaceman Spiff, interplanetary explorer extraordinaire.
Never look a beagle directly in the eye.
Why not? Beagles aren't so tough.
Yeah? Well, first of all, one of these beagles has chronic rabies, which he's on medication for, and if you get bit by him, then you have to get shots in your stomach for 6 months. And second, listen, I'm not going to justify this, so you just pay attention and stop interrupting me. I'm taping this.
You want to know something, brother? I used to look up to you. Well, I thought that maybe if I trained hard enough, or if I fought hard enough, that one day I could be as strong as you, Marcus. Marcus the Savage, guardian of the bridge.